So we're getting like a tavuk, which is the chicken plate over here. This gentleman's preparing it. So it's like a shish kebab kind of style, and he's got like, you know, cooking over the fire. So this is like a little place right here that's making this stuff for us. And yeah, babe, I'm gonna get one more. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Check.
So this is the platter right here. Taste it and see. See how it is.
I don't want to be in it.
Go ahead. How is it? It's really good. Is this nice and seasoned? Like, you like it?
Yes, very.
Okay, awesome, awesome. Then in that case, you know, let me order one more.
Actually, it has like a lot of seasoning, kind of spicy. It's good. You like it?
Okay, awesome, awesome. Let me order one more then. So we're just sitting out over here and taking a little snack while we walk through this this tour of the market in Old Town, and gonna drink a little bit of the my favorite drink over here, the Ayran. That's very refreshing, the yogurt drink, because today is a warm day. I mean, it's such a pity that this weather wasn't like this for months before, but you know what, better late than never. So I'm appreciating the weather. I mean, just look at the sky, beautiful. All right, let's eat. All right, so we got like a lot of this lavash bread over here. Lift it up, and there's my chicken. So this is like a very seasoned chicken. I love to support local and small businesses. So we're sitting in a small little joint right there on the side of the street. Let's dig in and see how this is. It's so juicy, and it's got so much seasoning on it, just the way I love it. So this is a thumbs up. And let me wash it down a little, Ayran. Very good. Definitely in a street corners. Try to get one of these things and enjoy it like the way I'm enjoying it. Really? Okay, so it's 50 lira. That's 50 lira is about, if you convert it into...
Like $3.50.
Yeah, like $3.50. Alright guys, so we just had a great meal. We're at the spot, and I'm gonna wrap it up right now. This is Ramon with the Rhodesian Connection. Until the next time, cheers.